Alright, so we popped open this Yamaha Natural Sound stereo double cassette deck, KX-W282. I noticed I was trying to record something, I noticed some black gunk in there. I thought the belts had come apart, but belts seem fine. There's two belts on each side. They both have good elasticity to them. This is this side here. Got two belts there, a small one and a bigger one. Seems working fine. Spin, and turn. Spin this guy, turns. So yeah, that was not a problem. So this thing looks like it's in good working order. So we'll just try it here up in the next video here.